Hello, and welcome to Creative Corner. Today we will learn to create business card in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's start. Create a project by clicking File and then New. Choose the dimension unit inches. For ideal business card, width will be 3.5 and height will be 2. Set landscape orientation and choose 2 number of artboard. Choose the bleed of 0.125. This is the space that will get trimmed while printing. Set the CMYK color mode that is ideal for printable projects. Okay, so here we have 2 artboard, one for front and one for back side. The red rectangle around the artboard is the bleed area, an extra 1/8 inch of space for design elements or backgrounds that extend beyond the finished edges of your card. It will get trimmed during printing. Select the rectangle tool and draw the rectangles for background of card. Add color to the rectangle. I have chosen the maroon pink color for the background. You can choose any of your choice. Press Alt and drag the rectangle to make the exact copy of it for other side of card. Draw another rectangle and choose a color lighter than the background. Now, select the Direct Selection tool and modify the rectangle. We have already discussed this tool. In case you missed it, go and check that to learn more about the tool. Link is in the description. Keep following the steps, it's really easy and you can do it. Business card is kind of incomplete without the logo. So, I'm going to design a really basic logo to put it on our card. Draw a square and rotate it. Make a copy of it and overlap both of them. Group them together by pressing Ctrl+G on the keyboard. Set the alignment to horizontally center from the control panel. If you don't have alignment options on control panel, you can get that from Windows and Align. Select the Type tool and click on the artboard. Now, type the name of the company. Set the color of text. I have chosen the stroke size as well to give it a bold look. Set the appropriate font and place the text under our logo. Align it horizontally center as well. Okay, so, front side of our card is ready. Now, it's time to design the other side. Draw the rectangle and reshape it using Direct Selection tool. Keep drawing and formatting the rectangles until we get the desired design. Set the stroke size of it to 0.5. Time to add the text on our card. Now we know how to add text, we will keep following the steps. Now, we have to add phone number, email and address. So, I have copied it from a sample file. Okay, so, we have done it. That's all for today, hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest a topic. Happy learning!